Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let us discuss in operator in SQL. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. The in operator is basically a shorthand for multiple or conditions. For example, let us go to the MySQL Workbench and let us understand about in operator. So here go to the query editor, and here we have written SQL statements in previous lecture. So just copy them and go to the notepad++ and just paste them. So here just we are taking a backup and remove all these SQL statements, and here just type select star from employees and just run this query. So here we have employees table with some sample data. Next, let us understand in operator. Well, the in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause, and this in operator is shorthand for multiple or conditions. For example, the or is the logical operator that we can use to add multiple conditions in a where clause, right? For example, let us write the SQL statement select star from employees where department equal to IT. Next, in order to add one more condition, we use or operator and then department equal to HR. So here in a result set, you can see here the different employees are belongs to different departments. Okay, and this is the SQL statement to retrieve the employees who are belong to either IT department or HR department. For example, if I run this SQL query, you can see these are the employees who are belongs to either IT department or HR department. Okay, next let us say I want to get all the departments who are belongs to one more department. For that I can add one more condition like this, or department equal to sales. Next, if I run the SQL statement, you can see these are the employees who are belongs to either IT department or HR department or sales department. Well, if you can notice the where clause over here, we have added three conditions using or operator. So instead of writing this much of code, we can use in operator and we can simply specify the values. For example, let me copy this SQL statement and let me paste it over here, and here just use in operator, in and then parenthesis. Within this parenthesis just specify the values like IT, comma, HR, comma, sales. So we don't need to write this much of code by using or operator. We can simply use in operator. So this in operator is basically a shorthand for or operator. Okay, and this in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. Next, if I run this SQL statement, it should give the same result. Okay, now you may have a question like how this in operator works. Well, this in operator compares the value in the column with each value in this list. If the value in the column matches any value in the list, then the condition is true and the row will be included in the result set. So this is how the in operator works. Next, let us see how to use this in operator with numeric data. So let me copy this select statement and just let me paste it over here, and here put the semicolon at the end, and here let us say we want to get the employees whose salary is in 20,000 and 25,000. So here just remove the department and just add salary column, and here just pass 20,000 comma 25,000. Okay, so this SQL statement basically retrieve the employees who has a salary either 20,000 or 25,000. So let us execute this and you can see the result. So these are the employees who has a salary either 20,000 or 25,000. Okay, perfect. Next, if you want to add other logical operators to this, you can simply add like this: int department equal to IT. So here I want to only get the employees from IT department. For that I have added this condition. Next let us execute this and you can see the result over here. So this SQL statement basically returns all the employees whose salary is either 20,000 or 25,000 and all those employees belongs to IT department. So this is how we can use in operator with other logical operators. Next let us discuss not in operator. Well, the not in operator is exactly the opposite of in operator. It is used to filter the rows where the column's value does not match any value in the list. For example, here let us create the SQL statement select star from employees where department not in, and then specify the department values in the parenthesis IT, comma HR. So this SQL statement returns all the employees who do not work in IT or HR departments. Next, just execute this query. So notice here the result. There is no employee in the result set who work in IT or HR departments. Okay. So this not in operator is exactly opposite of in operator, and it is used to filter the rows where the column's value do not match any value in the list. Okay, great. I will see you in the next lecture.